Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the accessory has enough battery and is in discoverable/pairing mode. On your Mac, open System Settings and go straight to Bluetooth, then toggle it on. This makes the Mac actively scan nearby devices. Once Bluetooth is enabled, make sure the menu bar icon is visible so you can monitor signal strength and connect quickly. Doing this now speeds pairing and avoids back-and-forth setting searches later. Now pair. Watch the devices list until your accessory appears, then click the device name and choose Connect. If a PIN or code shows, confirm the digits on both devices. This step secures the link and prevents accidental pairing. Once connected, the Mac shows device status, and you can set device roles like audio output. If pairing stalls, turn the accessory's Bluetooth off and on, then retry. Intermittent scans often resolve a missed initial handshake. Finish by selecting the new device in sound settings for audio or in input/output preferences for microphones. Test playback and controls so you confirm everything works as expected. If you see lag, dropouts, or the device won't connect, disconnect and reconnect first, then restart Bluetooth on the Mac. A single, effective troubleshooting tip. Restart the Mac if toggling Bluetooth fails. That clears the stack and resolves most persistent pairing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.